Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I'm not very happy with the way this morning's bamboo fire saw tutorial turned out. All that background noise. It kind of would have been all right, a lot better if I'd had the camera closer to me, because that's all you can do when it comes to making videos on an iPhone. When I stop talking, the way the iPhone's mic is set up, it goes searching for the other sounds, and when it finds a truck up here a half a mile up the road on the interstate, it can zero in on that. Or if there's a bird on the other side of the street, it'll lock in on that and then increase that sound. So the only way to combat that is to move to a quieter neighborhood or to have the phone closer. So let's go ahead and see. This is the set that we used this morning. If we can go ahead and get another ember out of this divot right here. And there's the bottom board. So here's something I've never done before. I used Catkins instead of bamboo scrapings. It might work. Let's just see. Just several strokes, not to get too crazy to start off with, just to warm the board up. Kind of disheartening though, after I got done with my very busy day today, to watch that video on the big screen TV and the sound to be as terrible as it was. I mean, the sound on my videos is not great anyways, but that's almost unacceptable. I'm debating about whether I should delete that video or not. Separate the ember from the board. I thought Catkins might work. Catkins are a good coal extender. Now I just need to get a couple of handfuls of leaves. I bet you the sound turns out better on this one. We'll find out. All right, y'all. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.